1,500 RPM liquid cooled diesel generator that I'm gonna see 10,000 hours out of. I knew that going into it. I did expect maybe I'd get more than 200 hours out of it. And so anyway, that brings us to here, because instead of fixing it, I was irritated with it. I was frustrated with it. And I said, that baby's coming out. So I took it out, and I've got another video I'm going to show you that's going to be coming, and I'm going to show you what I did instead. And spoiler alert, there's no engine in this. It's for my situation, I think it's a really good solution. But I have found an engine for this. I'm kind of giving away what happened, but I found an engine for this generator, and I'm probably going to order that. It's a good setup. The automatic transfer switch that comes with it, you know, it's a nice package, and I'd really like to get the engine back in it, a new one, and put it back in service somewhere. I don't know where. It probably won't be at this house. Anyway, let's dig into it. I'm gonna pop the cover off this, and I'm gonna show you guys what I found. Now, I've already torn it apart. I've taken the generator head off it. It's ready to pull the engine out and do an engine swap. So it's a little more dismantled than it was when I found it, but you're gonna get the picture real quick. So let's do that. So as I mentioned, I've already torn this apart. So it's kind of in more pieces than the way I found it. Obviously, it didn't quite look like this when I got a hold of it, when I took the cover off. However, let me see if I can find the parts for you. When I first looked at this, I thought, holy cow, I've run it out of oil. And there was a catastrophic event as a result. This is what I found. That hole, that's how it was. It had thrown a rod completely out through the top of the motor. These pieces here were laying in the bottom. I did look, and there actually was quite a bit of oil in the base of the motor and inside all over the bottom here. So there was plenty of oil in it. Now if you look, let's see if I can turn this. Oh, it's frozen. I want you to look at that. Crank bearing right there. Now, granted, it has frost on it right now, but you can see it is scored all to pieces. It's taken a lot of damage. And I'm going to show you what came out of it. This is a counterbalance. That's fine. That was not an issue. More parts. So you're probably asking yourself, like what I did, what in the world happened to this thing? It had been running fine. I hadn't heard any strange noises or anything. Granted, it had been a while since I'd heard it exercise, I guess. We hadn't had a big outage or anything like that. So I'm digging through the pieces, and this has been sitting on my desk at work. I'm no engine mechanic, but I can tell you that is the crank end of the rod. You can see it broke it right off. See how that's broken? And you can see where it was against the crank, that journal bearing, what bearing it had, the damage that took. But notice something. Not sure if I can get the light on that. Where that cap bolt goes into, the threads are fine. It's hard to show on the camera. Take my word for it. The threads on this side are perfectly fine. This side is sheared off, okay? So think about that. You engine guys probably are like, I know exactly what happened. The best I can find, since these are, see how that's not damaged? The threads, there you go. The threads right there are in good shape. The bolt holding the rod cap on at the crank came out.